Umholi we-Patriotic Alliance uGayton Mckenzie uthi amkhipha inyumbazana amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe. Lokhu kusho ngenkathi echaza mayelana nodaba lakhe lokhoxo ohlwini lwabagaqele sokuba yiMeya yaseGoli. Uthi la maqembu amekwe lokuthi ucwasana ngokobuzwe.
Members of IFP, the guys, we met and they said to me very informally, listen, but we cannot back you, you are xenophobic. And they would, so then we agreed there that I said to them, I can't agree to that. So I will then take my name out of the hat. Nobody forced me. We are still the kingmakers. I then went public. I'm going public now and say, I am no longer in this race because the expectation that I must become something that I am not.
uMckenzie uqhubeke wathi yena mayengathole sokuba yiMeya yaseGoli engaqinisekisa ukuthi bonke abantu abadabuka emazweni angaphandle abahlala kuleli dolobha bayawaveza amaphepha abagunyaza ukuthi bebe kuleli.
When I become the mayor of the city of Joburg, I will move my officers to Hillborough. I will deal with the illegal foreigners there. I will enforce the bylaws. You just need to enforce the bylaws in this country. We have the which is a competency that can frisk you and ask you, where's your passport? And they have the right to take you to jail.
Uphethe ngelokuthi into emkhathaza kakhulu ukuthi indawo eziningi ezakhelele lidolobho kubalwa kuzi Randburg, Rosettenville, Hillbrow kanye nezinye sezigcwele abantu bokufika abangenawo amaphepha abagunyaza ukuthi bebe kuleli. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze SABC.